Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy.
I'm Himshi Mama.
I'm Santa Mayo.
And I'm Jedediah.
Today we'll be explaining how to complete the square. This is a method used to solve quadratic equations by rearranging the equation so that you have a number set equal to some quantity squared. For our first example, solve x squared minus 16 equals 6x. First add 16 and subtract 6x from both sides. Then use the formula negative b over 2 squared and divide negative 6 by 2. Then square the result to get 9. Now add 9 to both sides of the equation. Put the left side in squared form, which is x minus 3 times x minus 3, or x minus 3 squared. Take the square root of both sides to get x minus 3 equals plus or minus 5. Add 3 to get x equals 8 and negative 2.
For our second example, find the x-intercepts of y equals 2x squared minus 8x minus 8. This follows the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. First set the quadratic equal to 0. Then move c to the other side by adding 8 to both sides. Now we want a to equal 1, so divide each side by 2 to get x squared minus 4x equals 4. On the side, divide negative 4 by 2 to get negative 2 and square that to get 4. Go back to the equation and add 4 to both sides. Now change the left side into a square, which in this case is x minus 2 times x minus 2, or x minus 2 squared. Now take the square root of both sides to get x minus 2 equals plus minus the square root of 8. Add 2 to each side to get the x-intercepts square root of 8 plus 2 and the negative square root of 8 plus 2.
For our last problem, find the x-intercept of y equals x squared minus 8x plus 20. Set the equation equal to 0 and then bring 20 to the right side. On that side, divide negative 8 by 2 and square the result to get 16. Add 16 to both sides of the equation. You're left with a negative result on the right. Change x squared minus 8x plus 16 into the square x minus 4 squared. Take the square root of each side to get x minus 4 equals negative, or the square root of negative 4. If you're in Algebra 1, this means there's no solution because you can't take the square root of a negative number. If you're in Algebra 2, you can continue with the problem using imaginary numbers. The square root of negative 4 becomes plus or minus 2i. By adding 4 to both sides, you get x equals 2i plus 4 and negative 2i plus 4.